Steal these celebrity secrets today and look just as good as they do. I'm going to let you in on some celebrity secrets today to help you. If it was your job to look great, if your income depended on it, make no mistake, you would follow these tips I'm about to share with you. Yes, from celebrities, movie stars, and now social media influencers, to look good is to make more money and improve your life. Many people don't want to go back to the regular work. Think Instagram, yes, here on YouTube, OnlyFans, etc., etc. People are making a killing, and they are the new celebrities. The thing is, it's no longer just for celebrities, and now we, the regular people, can finally get these benefits. We know from visiting dermatologists, estheticians, and facialists that what truly pays off is how you take care of your skin every day, at home, regularly, and consistently. The best skincare is going to be the one you tolerate and you use. Celebrities are no exception to this fundamental. Turns out, just like us, celebs swear by their own at-home rules, tips, and tricks to control acne, breakouts, prevent aging, and get that dewy A-list glow. I gathered 5 big tickets of advice from the top celebrities on how they mind their skin on a regular basis and stay ready for the red carpet every day. Number 1, we're diving right in, is to prioritize your sleep. Jennifer Lopez, actress and dancer and beauty guru now with her own skincare line, told InStyle magazine that her number 1 anti-aging skincare tip is to get enough sleep. We talk about sleep. I have whole videos on sleep on this channel. Sufficient sleep is the base layer for your skin health. When you're tired, when you look tired, you need more sleep. While you sleep, your body organically builds new collagen cells and regulates your hormones, especially one important one called cortisol, your stress hormone. Not even the celebs can cut corners here. It's called beauty sleep for a reason, historically, and it holds through to today. Number 2 is exfoliate. Christy Brinkley, with her unmatched complexion at 68 years of age, advocates for exfoliating your face every morning. Brinkley says that is what she's done every day for the last 40 years to contribute to her skin health and radiance. And you know what? The science checks out here, because exfoliation is the key to unclogging pores, clearing away dead skin, and rejuvenating your cells. I have many videos on exfoliation and the way you can use it to help breakouts, buffing out your complexion, and allowing for the products you do use to absorb deeper into the skin. There's chemical and physical exfoliation you want to look into. I recommend both. Number 3, some people don't like me saying this, but often cutting out certain foods like dairy. We're picking on dairy a little bit today. Margot Robbie knows to take care of her skin from the inside out. She learned very early she had to get rid of dairy because it was causing flare-ups. And in recent studies, that's come to be commonly known as the reason for many breakouts amongst many people. Not all, but many. You don't have to be quote-unquote allergic to milk or dairy for this to affect you. You can tolerate it very well, but it will cause some breakouts for most people. Here's why, and there is reasons. I talk about the food chain a lot and the hormones that scare me. Milk products very often have hidden added hormones. Those added hormones can mess with the hormone balance, cause insulin flare-ups, and thus aggravate your skin. It's no surprise that celebs are commonly opting for milk product alternatives like almond, oat, cashew, and ice creams that aren't made with cream. I use oat milk a lot. I often talk about how the hormones, especially in some of the milk that we get, is harming our kids. Milk and dairy, it's not that it's inherently bad itself. It's the type of milk and dairy, the non-organic and with added hormones. I think it's really contributing to the obesity problem we have now. Number 4, maybe no surprise to anyone, is SPF. Zendaya shares that she likes to keep her skin routine minimal with products that are basic. However, the one thing she says is an ultimate non-negotiable is face sunscreen. Though Zendaya is only 25 years old, that is the perfect piece of advice to keep her skin looking young and bright forever. So many people ask, Dr. Rajani, what can I do for prevention? I'm young. There you go. No matter if there's rain outside or cloud, in fact, it's more important during those times that people walk out of their house. UV rays are the #1 skin ager. They come through the clouds and the haze, even pollution. The UV can cause sag, dark spots, and wrinkles. So make sure you stock up and apply a good face sunscreen. Every day is a day for sunscreen. Keep that in mind. A lot of people don't like the white cast. You might go to, that's where you put on and you're left white a little bit. You might use, therefore, a sunscreen that is more chemical. But if you are using a physical like zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, then if you have one that has tint in it, that can be tolerable and act like a little bit of a makeup. One trick here, if you have very dark skin and the tint doesn't fit your skin color, then you can mix it with your makeup to fit your exact skin color. Alicia Keys has been the New York City queen of makeup free since 2016. And her biggest tip for skincare is actually rose water. Alicia Keys shares that she has very, very sensitive skin, and rose water is one product that has not let her down. Think Korean skincare here. I have a whole video on Korean skincare. A lot of times that's based on products and ingredients that are okay for more sensitive skin. Rose water is a natural toner with anti-inflammatory properties that smells and feels just amazing. This product has actually been used for beauty for thousands of years, and to this day, celebs love it for toned, hydrated, glowing complexion. A lot of times, the Koreans love it too and have it in their skincare. There you go. There are some tips from the celebrities. Of course, your tips are among the most important. We learned so much from the comments below. Comment there. Ask me in the links below. Under more info, there's Ask Dr. Rajani. I answer your questions. Click on it, record a question. Stay tuned here. Keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.